In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana for AI filmmaking. To get started, open your favorite web browser and head over to Google Gemini. Once you're on the Google Gemini page, look for an icon that represents adding files. This icon usually looks like a small folder or a plus sign. Clicking on this will allow you to upload the necessary media files to get your AI filmmaking process underway. Now it's time to click on Upload Files. It's important to choose an image that is clear and well lit, especially if it's central to the character or theme of your video. Make sure the image you select clearly represents the character you want to focus on in your video. This clarity is crucial for generating the best possible outcome as your project progresses. With your image uploaded, you're ready to enter your text prompt. This is a critical moment in the process. The prompt should be precisely crafted, as it directs how the AI will style your image. Specify the style and environment you envision for your project. For example, if you're aiming for a vintage aesthetic with sepia tones, be sure to mention it here. A well-thought-out prompt enhances the final production quality significantly. After you've carefully written your prompt, go ahead and click the Generate button. This action allows the AI to apply the specified style to your image. It might take a few moments, so be patient while the AI does its magic. Once the style has been applied and you're happy with how it looks, download the image featuring the new font style. This will serve as a foundational piece for the video you're about to create. Next, to transform your styled image into a captivating video, you need to navigate to AI Studio's VO3 interface through a quick Google search. Once you find the AI Studios page for VO3, click on it. Look for an option labeled Get Started and select it to continue your journey. From there, locate the option to generate media. This might simply be labeled as Generate Media within the interface. By choosing VO, you're opting to use its specific tools and features to craft your video. Now upload the image you styled with Nano Banana and input your video prompt. This prompt will guide the video generation, lending structure and direction to the film. Once you have several scenes created, whether it's through Nano Banana's styling or VO's effects, you can combine these elements using a platform like CapCut. CapCut allows you to merge and fine-tune your project